This time, we will learn how to measure resistance using a digital multimeter. The sensor's resistance measurements include frequency line measurements and temperature line measurements. First, let's look at how to measure the frequency lines. The vibrating wire sensor is equipped with a coil inside, which has its own unique resistance value. The coil resistance of our vibrating wire sensor is specified in each product manual, and the resistance value measured by the multimeter is coil resistance plus cable resistance, which may vary slightly depending on the length of the cable. Let's measure our piezometer as an example. To measure the resistance value, adjust the multimeter switch to the resistance and connect the measurement terminal to the signal cable red and black. It is normal if our piezometer coil resistance is measured at 240 plus or minus 10 ohm. However, even if the line resistance value is normal, if an insulation failure occurs, there may be a problem with the measured value, so the insulation resistance should also be checked. If the resistance value is measured very small, less than about 10 ohm, the cable is shorted. If measured in over limit or infinity, the cable is disconnected. Over limit, infinite, even when nothing is connected to the multimeter, so make sure that the multimeter terminal is in contact correctly. Next, let's look at how to measure the temperature line using a digital multimeter. The temperature sensor element built into our sensor is a sensor that measures temperature using the principle that resistance values change according to temperature. Sensor temperature measurement is possible using the resistance measurement function of the multimeter. Adjust the multimeter switch to the resistance and connect the measurement terminal to the signal cable green and white. Verify that the resistance measurements are in accordance with the following temperature table.